Who needs a pickup truck when you have a Tern GSD with our new tail hitch and bike tow kit? The GSD Gen 2 has integrated trailer mounting points to help you get even more stuff done. But some accessories block the trailer mounting points, so we created the Tail Hitch L. The Tail Hitch L moves the trailer mounting points further behind your bike, making it possible for you to tow a trailer for cargo or kids and still use the GSD accessories you love. Add the new bike tow kit to your tail hitch to bring another bike along. Once you have installed the bike tow kit, it is as simple as removing the front wheel of the bike you want to tow and attaching the fork to the bike tow kit. Secure the front wheel of the towed bike out of the way, and now you are ready to roll. We look forward to seeing what you tow away with the new GSD Gen 2 Tail Hitch L and bike tow kit. Learn more at turnbicycles.com.